हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ मौसमी सरकार और मेरे साथ है मेरी बहन सुमन मोटला। हम दोनों यहाँ पे आबू में ये तीसरी बार आए हैं। दिस इज़ अवर थर्ड टाइम। एंड जब भी हम आबू में आते थे, नकी लेक, आबू सिटी, इधर उधर घूम के चले जाते थे। बट दिस टाइम बिफोर कमिंग टू आबू वी हैड अ थॉट दैट लेट्स गो फॉर एन ट्रैकिंग। सो हमने बहुत कुछ सर्च किया था आने से पहले, एंड द मोस्ट efficient and reliable and what you can say is trustable hiking and trekking company we found is hiking and trekking company, जिसके साथ हमने प्लान किया कि वी विल कम एंड डू ट्रैकिंग. So we straight away came to Mount Abu and we did. I called up Harsh, and who is one of the hiking and trekking certified trainer, an expert who takes us in and around the mountains of Mount Abu. Uh, so I did called him up and we did discuss everything of hiking and trekking. Anil and Harsh, both of them are really good trackers, and as a tracking में हम लोग का इतना अच्छा दोस्ती हो गया. So let's start with the day one. So day one we thought of going to an Eagle Peak. The atmosphere was rainy, humid, and it was not sunny, cloudy, but it was very good atmosphere. So we started. So they picked us up from the hotel and explaining us each and every detail about hiking and trekking, how to go about, how to start and all. And it was really very good. We started off with the hike around 3:30 in the evening, and we reached to an Eagle Peak from the small roads, from the bush, from the rocks, from the what you say, very steep slopes, also dense forest. We learned about natures, we learned about botanical plants, we learned about birds, we learned about wild animals. It was very 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 interactive and entertaining track, I would say. We were only four of them, the two hiking and tracker trainers who were certified, and two of us. It was really very I would really suggest that whenever you go to Mount Abu, and you should go and meet Harsh and Anil, who is from hiking and trekking company. They are really good ones. And on day two, yes, on day two I forgot. So day two we aim for an Gunj track, which is again from the dense forest and rocks. And yes, I am at the Gunj trail. We have been already and have come back, and we are in between. So I just thought that let me share the feedback, the experience which I had with Anil and Harsh, and the trails, and about Mount Abu. So guys, when you come next time, please do not just think of coming in Mount Abu and spending time at the lake. Please go around. There are a lot of some 25 tracks. They not only do the tracks of hiking and trekking, but in winter they have gazing tracks. They have full day tracks where the meal is prepared in between the trail, and then you can have a food within this nature. And this is like so calming,
experience.
soothing, and amazing experience.
Now I would like to add this. See, he showed us so many plants. I would just add what Moshmi said. This is a fern, which is a silver fern. Okay, we don't find this in our nurseries also. In cities, we don't find in nurseries. I found this, so I'm carrying this so that I can put it in my pot at my house. He even showed us karamdas, which usually we don't find in cities. We ate that on the way, and it was so yummy. I can say it was so juicy. We even ate mangoes,
and it gave us energy.
Yes, that
lot
was
of energy.
that gave us too much of energy, and that kept us going. So we collected so many mangoes. We saw monkeys. We saw footprints of different animals. We saw how bears, they dig their place and they sit with their what we say offsprings, right? Even the jungly sewer, right? the pigs. We saw how they be in their habitat. He showed us every minute details which we found on the way, and he drew our attention. He even showed us the silver oak, which we usually don't find anywhere. We don't find in cities. The silver oak tree. We also saw Brazilian
Nightshade.
nightshade. I found it
flower.
very nice. I even took seeds of that so that you know I can plant it in my garden. So this way he showed us many things, and we went around, and most importantly he did photo shoots also for us. Like if we want to do that, he does that also for us. He guides us that the photo will be nice from here. He took so many pictures of us, and he gave us this golden opportunity, and he gave us other reason to visit Abu again except lakes.
Except lakes, yes, and we
Yes.
are coming sure in winter for stargazing and other tracks. Thank you so much.
And it's very economical.
Yes, it's
not
very
even
economical.
expensive. Everybody can afford it, and you might even feel that this 500 bucks or 600 bucks is very less. And I mean, I could have not found this even if I would have paid 500 bucks in my city. So I could see this many things which I could have not seen in 500 bucks in my city. उससे भी ज़्यादा देखा है मैंने, like more than over 5 to 10 times I can say.
So this
Thank
is
you so
guys life cherishing moment and
Experience.
and memories with Harsh and Anil, and we are not only now he's not only our guide but he's going to remain our friend for
Friend,
lifetime.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.